finalist number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I turn your attention to the big screens. Meet Hoover High's Todd Doxey.
Oh, this is Hoover all day, you know me. I'm Hoover. I'm a Cardinal. I'm a Cardinal. So it's a real honor. I'm happy to get Hoover started. Got the football program turned around, so hopefully there'll be a lot to come behind me out of Hoover. I just love playing for our offense, and having Corey Trisby at quarterback is just a blessing, you know. We have a lot of good athletes on our team, and I like catching the deep ball, you know. I like to jump over the defenders and catch the ball, so that's basically my favorite route. I look at Corey and tell him I'm going deep this play, so just throw it to me. Just throw it up. This would be a great honor to win this award. Hopefully I can win it. I remember watching P.T. Gates and Reggie Bush every Friday when I was in 6th grade, so it is just me being in the likes of their names would be an honor just to have my name on the trophy, so I would love to win this award.
A round of applause for Todd Doxey. Everybody, we have a PPR first tonight. Vice Todd, the microphone is yours. You have 10 seconds.
After this long and stressful recruiting process, I have decided that I will attend the University of Oregon in the fall of 2007.
Todd, thank you very much.
A senior, 6'2", number 2, Todd Doxey.
TIP. Hey, Jamie, JT. It's about time to get back hot again, man. You know, fresh out this thing. Let's go.
You know you're looking at a winner, winner,
So up there and so out there. You so not here. Hey, hey. You see, we so up there and we so out there.
Hey, I'm waking up in the morning, hustling to the stage and performing, hustling through the hate and busting the door. Lately nothing misses, I must have been scoring. And speaking of the misses, I'm watching them pouring. Just like a drink that I'm enjoying. And don't mean muggers, you're welcome to join. Just look at me sorry, feeling like joy. Hold up, I ain't finished yet. On the top, but you just don't get it yet. I don't get cut, I make them cut the check. Can't hear me in the stands, let me say it again. You ain't heard I'm the dish on the top, but you just don't get.
On the Prep Hardwood, an emotional night at Hoover High as 2 of their fine athletes are immortalized. Todd Doxey's number 9 was raised to the rafters, as was J.D. Luster's.
We're gathered here for much more than a football game. I know we've had a memorial and we've celebrated the life of Todd Doxey. Back to pass is Corey Trisby. He's looking long. He's done him. He goes long to Todd Doxey.